Everyone stop what you're doing and eyes on me. I noticed that a lot of people are making the same type of mistakes while you're doing your worksheets on measurements. I noticed that a lot of you are getting confused between the standard units of measurements, which are the millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers in the case of measuring length. I want you all to find a blank space in your notebooks and write down what I write on the whiteboard so you can come back to it later as a reference when you forget or you're not sure of how to use the units of measurement or forget the values. And this is the order from the smallest to the largest, and read it out with me, everyone, okay? Millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. And 1,000 meters equal 1 kilometer. Do you see the number value of each unit? Now, when you're given a question, you are to use the correct values to convert the units. So next time, when you're given a question and you have to put everything in the same units, remember to multiply with the correct values. For example, 1 millimeter times 10 equals 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter times 100 equals 1 meter. And 1 meter times 1,000 equals 1 kilometer. So use this number key as a reference for when you do your multiplications or divisions next time. Okay? Now, to put it into perspective for everyone, if you look at the length of a meter ruler, the increments of the millimeters are the smallest increments on there. And 10 of these tiny increments make up 1 centimeter. So let's say we're measuring an ant. An ant would be, say, 5 millimeters. 2 of those ants would make up 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter would be like the length of a die. So that means the length of 2 5 millimeter ants would equal to the length of a 1 centimeter die. Now, how many 1 centimeter dies would I need to make up a meter ruler? 100. That means 100 centimeters makes up 1 meter. Now, moving on to kilometers, it gets a little bit trickier because you can't measure it easily with our bodies. So we need tools like a car odometer, which measures how far you have traveled, or using a step count app on our phones. But essentially, it takes 1,000 of these meter rulers to make 1 kilometer, which is also about the length of 10 football fields. So next time you do your measurement questions, everyone, please check that you have used the correct units. Then you make sure you multiply and divide between your units correctly using the right number values, where you can refer back to the reference you have written in your page just now.